So today we're going to be installing the Ghost subwoofers that go underneath the driver and passenger seats. Let's get to it. All right guys, so this should be a quick and easy install. We don't need to remove the actual seat out of the car completely, but we are going to remove all 4 of the bolts that are holding the seat down. So I'm going to start on the back first. All right, now that we've got access to the OEM subwoofer, you need to get a Phillips screwdriver. And we're gonna take all of these bolts out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so here is the OEM one, and here's the Bavsound 8-inch Ghost Underseat Subwoofer. Weight-wise, they're comparable. I can tell you, I think the Bavsound is a little bit lighter. So one other thing I wanna note here, since my sound system currently in the car is the standard hi-fi, my requirement for the Ghost subwoofer is the 2 ohm version. They also have an 8 ohm version. So with the 2 ohm, it's actually gonna be twice the bass. So their subwoofers are 10 decibels louder from 20 to 60 hertz versus the factory woofers, which results in twice the loudness in critical sub bass range. All right, so now we can go ahead and reinstall. So what I'm gonna do first is plug this in. Alright guys, the driver's side is officially done. Bavsound does state that it takes about 12 hours for the subwoofers to break in and reach their maximum potential. I have no doubt in my mind that this is going to be a really great solution for anybody that's looking for a nice, simple plug-and-play upgrade. Once again, huge shout out to the guys over at Bavsound for sending me all these products. Otherwise, we will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.